Ciao, ciao. Many thanks. Bye, Ruby. Okay, leaving Tulsa. Finding our way to Route 66. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, historic Oklahoma, US Route 66, and then this is the entrance into Tulsa on Route 66. Hi, little goaties. Look at you guys. How cute are you? Huh? You're just eating and eating, huh? Just little baby goats. Yeah, very nice to meet you. Oh, there's a cat crossing the road. Yes, yeah. Very windy nature experience here. I have made it to Claremore, Oklahoma. I rode from Tulsa today, and I'm at a Will Rogers motel. Here's Myrtle, and unfortunately, the doors are too narrow. She can't fit, so I'm just going to lock her under the stairs, and I don't think anyone is going to notice. What's nice is there's a couple of outlets, and so I'm charging up the batteries, and I don't even have to take them off the trike. Let's go inside. Lots of space here. Certainly enough room for Myrtle if I could get her through the door. Not a bad room, $70. And here's the bathroom. Yeah, not too bad. Ride was 31 miles and just over 900 feet of climbing. It was bitterly cold this morning. I had wind from the north, and so it was in my face. I had a headwind, and it was just so cold. I think it was in the upper 30s this morning, and oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm still wearing my rain pants for warmth, and I'm really hoping that tomorrow the winds will shift, maybe come from the south, and maybe the morning temperatures will warm up again, warm up a little bit more. But I should be very comfortable here and get a good night's rest. So, all right, you guys, welcome to Claremore, Oklahoma.